Welcome to 4008 Crestwood Drive in Floyds Knobs, Indiana. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, just above 2,700 square feet. Come inside for a private tour of this beautiful luxury home in Floyds Knobs, Indiana. The backyard is an expansive 1.375 acres with a really neat trail that goes down over the hill and up the other side. Come with me on a walk down this path to see how large this lot really is. We have the creek bed down at the bottom of the hill, and as you can see, this is such a scenic little area in the bottom.